Well, hi there you lovely fly fishing maniacs. My name is Ken Persson. Welcome to the Sameo channel. Join me and Tin Lizzie here on our travel up to Gustavsfors, where we're gonna meet Peter Magnusson and all his friends for a glorious fishing day. Tag along!
I arrive and park by the water in Gustavsfors, where Peter Magnusson is ready and waiting. No time to waste, it's just to start gearing up. We only have a couple of hours of fishing today, since we are gonna prepare for the fair called Flugfiskeklubb Day in Gustavsfors. I haven't been here for many years, so to get some expert advice from Peter is pure gold. He shows me some pretty awesome spots. To me this looks like trout heaven. Look at the seams, the foam, the rocks. Gustavsfors is a water that sets my imagination to overload. After a long, dark winter, this is payday for us. What we in Sweden lack in daylight in the winter, we get multiplied back in the spring. Just look at this. The fish is really stubborn today, but we do get a few bites. Unfortunately, no one stays hooked for long. We head back for lunch and for a chat with Peter.
And here he is, my good buddy, Peter Magnusson. How are you doing today?
Thank you, very well.
So we're here in Gustavsfors, and you've been fishing here for many years, I guess? What?
7 years.
You've been fishing here for 7 years.
Yes.
And what is the main fish here?
It's trout.
Brown trout?
Yes.
Wow.
It's very nice here. It's peaceful. It's important to take it easy and enjoy this environment here.
That's a good point. This place is for relaxation and to enjoy the nature, not to chase around and stress. However, playtime is over and I have to put up the stuff for the fair. Fly fishers and old friends come from all around to check out flies and to try out new rods and lines. The grill is lit and everybody's having a great time. I spot Mattias Bengtsson in the crowd.
Matthias, pleased to meet you. And you are the chairman of the whole area here.
Yes.
How long is the stretch here?
About 7 kilometers.
Wow. You had rainbow trout before, and now it's brown trout only. And can you tell me a little bit about that?
Brown trout now because it's forbidden to put out rainbow trout now.
And the stockfish is coming from the area, you told me. And,
yes.
Yeah?
Locally produced, yes. And it's a very good fish.
Cool. I haven't seen the fish yet, so I hope you can show me later a beautiful fish.
Maybe. I cannot guarantee you.
No, it's not easy to fish here.
No, it's not easy, and I think it shouldn't be easy.
I totally agree with you with that. No, it's stunning. I really love it here. So you will see plenty of me in the future.
Yes, you're welcome.
Yeah, this pretty part of Helgeå will definitely get more visits from me. I plan to return as soon as possible, maybe already next week. Big browns in lovely streams has that effect on me. I want to thank Peter, Mattias and the rest of Gustavsfors FVO and the Anglers of South Sweden Club. Thank you so very much for inviting me and Lizzie to this familiar and fun fair. We are already booked for next year. Now, if you like my videos and you want to see more, please hit the subscribe button. It really gives me the energy and motivation to continue. Thanks for watching and see ya!